It's kind of funny. I was fiddling with my microphone for a while because I thought something was wrong with it, but really my voice was just super messed up. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Wavy Tech. I'm back with another video, and today I want to talk about something else I picked up. In my last video, I talked about my Bose on-ear headphones. So far, I still really like them. I did get some like staticky, like audio cutting when I was listening to a song, but it just happened once. It hasn't been a persistent problem. So on those, so far so good. The bass is pretty decent on those headphones, a lot better than the Bose QC25s. So that's that. Yeah, anyways, that's not the only thing I picked up. I also picked up this Polaroid Cube from Amazon. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description down below. I'm not 100% sure what the Act 2 stands for, but I got the camera because I was an audience member in the show, whose line is it anyway? Wayne Brady. His show, Price is Right, and he gave everyone in the audience a Polaroid Cube. Anyways, I use this camera. I love this camera. You could take it to a bunch of different places where you normally wouldn't want to bring a camera because this thing is so small. So I took it to concerts, I took it to the beach. It's just a super convenient little camera to have fun with. But for some reason it stopped working on me. I think it had to do with the battery. It would only work when it was plugged in. But unfortunately this camera can't really take video or picture while it's plugged in. So it's not like I could take external battery pack and then plug it in and use it that way. Even though that would kind of defeat the purpose of it being so portable. But yeah, so I don't know how to figure it out. But anyways, there was a pretty sweet deal on this, so I had to pick it up, and I got insurance for it. Because the price is lower on the camera, the insurance can also be lower. So that's definitely a great option if you, like me, I want to avoid having something like this where it breaks on you. So that's what I did. Also, I don't know if I told you, but it has a magnet at the bottom, which is cool because you can put it on a bunch of different metal things, but not cool because it doesn't work with your tripod accessories like a Gorilla Pod or a tripod or anything like that. This is just another fun unboxing. The other thing that I want to bring up is the value proposition that this brings up is really, really good, I think, because it's super small and it looks pretty. I mean, the audio is going to be garbage, okay?
I don't even think you can see anything because it's so dark. Oh, there we go. Oh! Classic Carlos. Classic Carlos on display. Through all the ice, the little bit of ice we had. Carlos, how did this happen?
I actually have no idea. I moved that thing.
Classic. Classic. Classic.
On tape.
And I think that's, most people know that. Action cameras generally have garbage audio quality. But when you consider the price of this versus something like a GoPro, and you consider the image quality, I think a lot of people, if they knew about this, would get this. Let's get into the unboxing. You know how this goes. It's not super pro, but here we go. Here's the lovely, lovely box. Oh, the other thing is, this one includes the camera, a USB charger, a micro SD card, and a bumper case, which I think is really cool because my last one that I got didn't include a bumper case or a micro SD card, I believe. Look at these ladies. Look at these ladies on this Polaroid Cube, man. If you want to be happy like these ladies, you got to get yourself the Polaroid Cube right here. You see that? And also, what is she recording? Because really, she's just going to be recording the back. If she's pointing it at her, she's just getting her back. But anyways, that's besides the point. Is this supposed to be for women or what? Why do they only have women on the thing? It probably is. It probably is aimed at them. It seems like more women than men like their products, like the film cameras. I don't know if that's what you call them, but not the film cameras, but you know, the old school Polaroid cameras that you take a picture and then it instantly prints. I just don't want to. Okay, I guess you do it like that. I just didn't want to like mess it up. But I'm gonna use my keyboard to show you to block out the light. But yeah, that's just kind of telling you how it works. Battery indicator, SD card, recording, little warranty card. And the camera itself. Bam, there it is. Let me see. Where did I put my other one? Oh, here it is. I kind of want to see if there's a difference. Maybe I was wondering if the Act 2 was somehow cheaper or something. I mean, it looks indistinguishable so far. Other than mine is like super messed up. This kind of looks like Wall-E. Wall-E. Maybe we can get a closer shot here. Welcome to Wavy Tech, doing dark unboxings that are not properly lit. Oh, here's a bumper case. Awesome. This is so cool because I was interested in one of these, and I actually wait for it to focus here. See, it's like these little grooves. I did that because I tied like a zip tie. I keep forgetting my mic is over here. My voice is messed up. But anyways, those little grooves, I did that. They're there because I tied a zip tie to it and then a lanyard to kind of make my own version of like a DIY bumper case type of thing. Lanyard hanging from your neck situation. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, too high. Let's bring it down. Whoa. And anyways, that's it for this quick unboxing. I'll try to put some video in for my last Polaroid Cube so you can kind of see the quality and understand what to expect from it, and also just to judge for yourself to see how much money you can save by going with one of these than, let's say, a GoPro. Now, I will say that these aren't waterproof, so if that's really important to you, you might not be interested in these. I think they're water resistant, so you can get like I think they can be splashed, but just definitely double check it. But from an image quality standpoint alone, definitely check these out because they look really, really good in my opinion. Accessories, you probably won't be able to find as many for this, but it is what it is. I'm really excited. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Anything else in here? Seems like there is, but that should be it. But anyways, if you like the video, don't forget to like it. If you want to see more, I'll catch you in the next one. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me anything. And if you want to support the channel, go to my affiliate links. I'll leave a comment with it, and it'll be in the description. You can get anything. It doesn't have to be this Polaroid Cube. You can get whatever you need, groceries. It doesn't really matter. But it just lets Amazon know that you came from here, and it really helps me out a lot. But if not, I still love you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey, so the audio is probably going to sound different because my microphone, I'm not using it. It probably is going to sound a little bit better since earlier I was over here and my microphone's back here. But anyways, that's besides the point. I just opened a little box in the Polaroid Cube, and I just kind of wanted to show you what it came with. It came with like a Polaroid branded micro SD card. It also came with a little USB charger and a little clip, which I think is really cool. I'm assuming this is for the little bumper case, little bumper lanyard thing. So yeah, it's super cool. I just didn't want to leave that out since that was in the box. And yeah, you can definitely expect to get that too if you get the Polaroid Cube Act 2 HD Action Video Camera. But anyways, that's it for today. Bye.